My name is Samantha from Oakridge Ford. Ford, one of the oldest car companies in the world, wants to keep you updated and safe. To that end, they created Ford Co-Pilot360. Beginning in 2020, all of their new models will come standard with Ford Co-Pilot360. It is how Ford has bundled their safety systems. It includes their Blindspot Information System, or BLIS, lane keeping system, rear view camera, auto high beams, and PreCollision Assist with automatic emergency braking. Let's go into some details about these features. The Bliss Blindspot Information System is the part that stays alert to those around you. This is handy in all sorts of traffic situations, but especially when driving at higher speeds on expressways. When you attempt to move into a lane and another vehicle is beside you, the Bliss will alert you to the second vehicle's presence, preventing a collision. Speaking of blind spots, the lane keeping system helps you prevent drifting while driving, especially on highways. It does not steer for you, but it helps you stay in the lane. The rear view camera gives you eyes on the back of your head. This is especially helpful if you cannot turn fully around or you have something blocking your view. The rear view camera is a wonderful added view to see that space you normally cannot see. The automatic high beams are some of the best assets in the vehicle. It takes out one of those added movements we all must make. At night, when your eyes adjust to the high beams, we often do not realize that we've left them on. The Ford Co-Pilot360 handles turning them off and on as needed. No more accidentally blinding oncoming traffic. Lastly, the PreCollision Assist with automatic emergency brake is a wonderful feature. This program works best in urban situations. Remaining alert for sudden appearances of pedestrians, animals, or objects is the first step to alert you with lights and noise. If that does not work, the emergency brakes will automatically be applied. Think of the Ford Co-Pilot360 as added sight covering all parts of your vehicle. No matter where you cannot see, the vehicle has you covered. Additional supports are assist for active parking and reverse brake. This covers you with another layer of protection when using the brakes. When navigating hills, the hill descent control helps you stay on course. When you are towing a trailer, the Bliss will cover the trailer as well, and you will have a Pro Trailer Backup Assist. Since keeping you safe on the road is the most important part of a vehicle, Ford has done their best to make it seamlessly a part of their system. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon at Oakridge Ford.